Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Mysterium VPN for free on your PC. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. Now, let's talk about Mysterium VPN. This service is very different from traditional VPNs you might be used to. Instead of a company running all the servers, Mysterium operates on a decentralized, peer-to-peer network. This means regular people around the world share their internet bandwidth in exchange for a cryptocurrency called MYST tokens. So, is it possible to use it for free? The short answer is yes, but only for a very limited time. When you first create a Mysterium VPN account, they provide you with a small amount of free trial credits. This allows you to test the service for a short period without any commitment. To begin, you'll need to go to the official Mysterium VPN website and download the client for Windows. After installing and opening the application, you'll need to create a new account. Once you're logged in, the app will show your balance of free credits. To connect, you'll see a list of available nodes or exit points from around the world. You can select one and click Connect, just like with any other VPN. Your free trial credits will then be used to pay the node operator for the bandwidth you use during your connection. This is where the big catch comes in. Once these initial trial credits run out, your connection will stop. To continue using the service, you must purchase MYST tokens. This involves several complicated steps: setting up a crypto wallet, finding an exchange to buy the tokens, and then funding your Mysterium account, all just to keep your VPN running. Furthermore, because you're connecting to individual residential IPs, the speed and reliability can be very inconsistent. Some nodes might be fast, while others are painfully slow. You may also find that many streaming services and websites block these types of IP addresses, so accessing geo-restricted content can be hit or miss. So, while you can technically use Mysterium VPN for free for a brief trial period, it is not a realistic long-term free solution. The crypto payments and unpredictable performance make it quite complicated for everyday use. For a smooth, secure, and reliable experience, without any of these hassles, NordVPN remains the superior choice. Be sure to use the link in the description to get the best deal. With a single subscription, you get access to thousands of high-speed servers, robust encryption, and it works flawlessly with all major streaming platforms. It's the clear winner for dependable online protection.